Hi, to enable SMS delivery report on Samsung Galaxy S25, firstly, find and open your Samsung Messages app, then tap on three dots for more info and choose Settings. After that, you would need to select the tab More Settings by tapping it, choose Text Messages, and find Show When Delivered. So if you would like to get delivery report, then tap on the switcher so it would be enabled and the switcher will be blue like that. And now it would be shown when delivered. And to save changes, simply go back like this. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.